I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to factory reset your Ultimate Ears EverBoom Bluetooth speaker. There are several good reasons you may find yourself wanting to factory reset your Ultimate Ears EverBoom speaker. Perhaps you're experiencing connectivity issues, want to clear out any software glitches, or you're planning to sell or give away your speaker and need to erase your personal settings. Performing a factory reset can restore your EverBoom to its original state, ensuring it functions smoothly and efficiently. So if you're ready to get your speaker back to its best condition or prepare it for a new owner, let's dive right into it. Step 1. Make sure that your Ultimate Ears EverBoom Bluetooth speaker is powered on. You can do this by looking for a light under the power button on the top left side of the speaker. Step 2. Hold down both the power and volume down buttons for roughly 5 seconds. Keep holding the buttons down while the speaker makes the following sounds. After which you can release the buttons. The EverBoom speaker will power down. Step 3. You can confirm the factory reset was successful by powering the Ultimate Ears EverBoom speaker back on. When the speaker powers back on, the Bluetooth light should be blinking. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.